इसको थोड़ा तिरछा दिखा, इसको सेट करो ना। हाँ yes, so actually yesterday I had given one question that you have to solve graphically. Have you solved? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you solved that question? Apples वाला grapes वाला question solve किया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what was the final answer? What was the final answer of that question? Exercise 3.1, question number 3. Nobody is giving the answer.
You can unmute yourself and you can say it. You can speak out.
Unmute yourself and say what is your answer. एट तो 9th में तो बहुत बच्चे आए आज। 10th में अभी तक 18 हो गए। 18 है क्योंकि नेटवर्क चले गया ना।
Class math is started. Math classes. Math classes.
Yes, children, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
You're audible.
So I am going to start next exercise, that is 3.2, that is also related to graph. So look here how to
Yes, sir.
this question. Okay. So I am taking exercise 3.2. 3.2, very first question, that is form a pair of linear equations. Record kiya sir? Form a pair of linear equation and here find their solution graphically. Means this question you have to also solve by graph. Okay, so question number 1 is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz, right? If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find out the number of boys and girls in took part in the quiz. So what are the variables here? Here two variables, a number of girls and number of boys. So you can take one as x and one as y. So I am assuming here, let the number of girls be x and number of boys be y. So there are 10 students. So what will be the first equation? First equation will be equal to x plus y is equal to 10. Equation 1. Why x plus y is equal to 10? Because total number of children are 10. So means including boys and girls, total students are 10. So x plus y is equal to 10 is the first equation, right? Now we'll solve for y this. Y 10 minus x. Now take 2-3 points here. I am taking 3 points here, x and y. Substitute any value of x here. Suppose I am putting x is equal to 5 here. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. Now putting x is equal to 6, suppose. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now I am taking x is equal to 7, suppose. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Right? Is it clear or not? Now, second equation, according to second condition, According to second condition, what is given? What is the condition? If number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So number of girls are x. So x is equal to y plus 4. Why? Because number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Number of boys are y. So x is equal to y plus 4. Again, we'll take some 3 points for this equation also. So by taking 3 values of x and y here, x is x and y. Suppose y is equal to, suppose 1. Y is equal to 1. Then y plus 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. Now I am taking y is equal to, suppose 3. Right? I am taking y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7. And again I am taking y is equal to 2, suppose. So when y is equal to 2, then y is equal to, x is equal to 6 here. Right? So these are the points. Right? Now we'll plot these points and we'll see what we are getting, what exactly we are getting. Right? So I am drawing graph here, x-axis and y-axis. Right? Now on points on x-axis is 5, 6, 7. So you can take here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And on y-axis, I am taking some points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You have to take the point in such a way that so that all our points included in the graph. Right? Okay? So I am not having graph copy or graph page. That is why I am drawing the rough graph here. Okay. Now I am plotting the points. First point is 5, 5. Where is 5, 5? 5, 5 is this. This is 5, 5. Second point is 6, 4. 6, 4. This is 6, 4. And third point is 7, 3. This is 7, 3. This is 7, 3. Right? After plotting the points, join the line. Right? So this is the equation x plus y is equal to 10. You must give the name of the line. Right? So this is a straight line. Now I am plotting the second point, second equation, 5, 1. Where is 5, 1? This is 5, 1. Right? Second point is 7, 3. This is 7, 3 is a common point in both the lines. Right? And third point is 6, 2. 6, 2. 6, 2 is this point. 6, 2. Right? Now join these lines. So after plotting, what you are getting, this is the second line, that is x is equal to y plus 4. This is x is equal to y plus 4. So x is equal to y plus 4. So what I have done here, I have plotted both the lines here, and after plotting, what you are getting, tell me. you are getting the intersecting lines. First line, second line, both lines are intersecting at point what? At point P. And the what is the coordinate of this point? This is what is the coordinate of this point? This is 7, 3, right? So it means what? It means what is the solution of the given equation? Y is equal to y is equal to 3, correct है. X is equal to 7. ठीक है ना? ठीक है. So after plotting what we are getting, at the end you will write here, since both the lines intersect each other at point P 7, 3, right? Okay, so therefore number of girls is x, na? So number of girls is 7, x is equal to 7, and number of boys is equal to 3. Now you can also verify that. You can see here number of girls are 4 more than the number of boys. देखो यहाँ पर बोला है कि गर्ल्स जो हैं बॉयज से 4 ज्यादा हैं, तो देखो ये 3 है और ये 7 है. It means our answer is correct. So in this way you have to solve the graph, solve the equation, take some points, right? And you have to plot, and after plotting, if you are getting the intersecting lines, so at what point they are intersecting, that will be the solution of the equation. So first point is x, that is number of girls is equal to 7, and second point is y, that is number of boys is equal to 3. So I hope you all are getting this. Hello children, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
आपको
sir.
Audible, sir. Audible.
Yes,
ये वाला
sir.
ग्राफ समझ में
Yes,
आया
sir.
आपको?
Yes.
Yes, sir. अच्छे से सर.
Yes, sir.
Sir, समझ आ गया.
So
Yes, sir. Next
Yes,
question.
sir.
yes, so similarly
next
you have to
question.
solve the other also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I
Yes,
think
sir.
the graphical
Very, very good.
yes, graphical portion is completed. Now only you need to draw the two such
क्यों चालू हो गया?
graphs in which the lines are parallel and lines are constant.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
You-
sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And listen,
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.
thank you. Okay, you will try
Yes, sir.
exercise 3.2, question number 2. You will try.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, so before
Thank
We will
Thank
try.
you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
before leaving
You are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
So you are audible.
Okay, sir. We will do that.
You must have network problem.
Everybody stop yelling.
Now, tell me what will be the equation for the second exercise 3.2, question number 2. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, and 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. What will be the equation for this? Tell me. Yes, tell me what will be the equation for this? Question number 2. What you will
sir,
have-
what?
Exercise 3.2, question number 2.
5x plus 7y equals to 50.
Very
7x plus 5y
5x plus 7y is equal to 15.
Yes. And
50
7x
by
plus
50.
5y is equal to 46. Okay.
Viram, be quiet.
15.
Okay.
7x
So
plus
when you
5.
Yes,
solve
sir.
these,
7x
Understood.
plus
Yes,
5y
sir.
equals to
when you
46.
solve these two lines,
Sir, we can do it by own.
yes, you can do it. Okay.
Sir, can we do by substitution method?
No, by graphical method.
Sir, this
It
can
is
be
said to
homework.
be graphical.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Given that we have to solve this by graphical method. देख रहे हो सर? So, second question you will solve graphically, right? By your own, and we'll meet on the next class. Till then, goodbye. Take care.